counts. 2 points. Sevilla to Gomez. 3. Pass it to Nico. Nico now at traffic. Number 14, fadeaway shot is good. 2 points. Gomez, another 3. Yes, sir. 40, double team, pass it to number 14 for 3. 3. Pass it to Gomez. Quick pass to Sevilla. Step back 3. Yes, sir. 3. Gomez to the corner of Sevilla. Gomez, wide 3. Yes, sir. 3. Number 14. Olagare for 3. Yes, sir. 3. Gomez to the ball. 5 seconds. Outlet pass to Ontario. Able to sneak it out. Mendoza all the way for 2. 2 points. Snatch by Villarmino. Now Villarmino on the one. Close to close, Villarmino over 2. 2 points. Drives, pops, and scores. What a good play there for Mendoza. Ball on the run, Pacheco. Notes it up, no good offensive rebound. Mendoza is good. 2 points. That's the lead to 10. As the ball is stolen by Gomez. Easily. 2 points. Bongo drive, drops it up. Letoya, baseline drive, jumper. Yes, sir. 2 points. Laguna, basket counts. 2 points. What a good. Villarmino left open 3. 3. Aliyu played here from Pacheco to Namoka. Namoka now. Jumper, no good offensive rebound. Mendoza puts it back for 2. 2 points. Namoka has the ball. Namoka on the run. 3 versus 3. Namoka all the way for 2. 2 points. Kick out. Pacheco. Pass it to Deku. Puts it up. It's good. 2 points. Rebound out the pass. Almost a steal by Laguna. 2 points. 2 points. 14-point lead. Mendoza. Namoka for 3. Second free throw, still no good. Offensive rebound. Putback is good for number 27. 2 points. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by 2 points.